prospector searching in the hills, panning the river for that glimmer that kills. Dreamed of wealth for a family tied tight in the mountains hard under the pale moonlight. Never aches cold hands dunk in icy streams, hunt for the fortune, done stitch up his dreams. Sluice box rattles with each golden gleam, and the dirt rich water flows that Gola scheme. 403, he digs deep and wide for his kid, he fights the mountain's pride, striking gold in that lonely span, a future bright in a worn-out land. Pan to pan till the sun sinks low, mud-caked clothes, a hard man's glow. His men's sweat mixing with dreams so high. 403 strikes it rich by night, falls eye. Ghosts of miners sing in the stars shed light, whispers of fortunes, they fight with their might. The 403 stands tall, hard, wild, free, found the gold that sets his family free. 403, he digs deep and wide for his kid, he fights the mountain's pride, striking gold in that lonely span, a future bright in a worn-out land. 403, he digs deep and wide for his kid, and he fights the mountain's pride, striking gold in